Why settle for a murky pool when a sparkling clean one awaits? In the realm of backyard luxuries, a pristine pool stands as an inviting oasis. But with so many pool cleaners on the market in 2024, which one truly stands out as the champion of cleanliness and efficiency? Today, we dive into the world of pool cleaners, comparing the top contenders of the year: the Dolphin Premier Robotic, the Polaris F9550 Sport, and the Hayward TigerShark QC. Starting with the Dolphin Premier Robotic. This cleaner is renowned for its advanced navigation systems and dual scrubbing brushes designed to tackle all types of pool surfaces. It features a smart, weekly timer that allows it to automatically run at scheduled times, making pool maintenance practically hands-free. However, its higher price point might be a consideration for those on a tighter budget. Next, the Polaris F9550 Sport steps up with a robust four-wheel drive system that enables it to climb walls and maneuver over obstacles effortlessly. It comes with a remote control for spot cleaning, which is perfect for quick touch-ups before a pool party. While it excels in performance, some users report that it can be a bit heavy to remove from the pool compared to its competitors. Transitioning to the Hayward TigerShark QC, this model is celebrated for its quick cleaning cycles and easy maintenance. It's efficient in energy usage and has a simple filter cartridge system for hassle-free cleaning. On the downside, it lacks the advanced features of programmable timers and remote controls found in the other two models. Each of these pool cleaners has its merits and drawbacks. The Dolphin Premier is ideal for those seeking cutting-edge technology and maximum convenience. The Polaris F9550 is perfect for those who need extra control and power in handling larger or more challenging pools. Meanwhile, the Hayward TigerShark provides a balance of efficiency and simplicity, suitable for everyday pool owners who prioritize ease of use. In conclusion, determining the best pool cleaner of 2024 hinges on your specific needs and preferences. If budget is no issue and you crave the latest in pool cleaning technology, the Dolphin Premier Robotic stands out as the top choice. It combines efficiency, advanced features, and ease of use, ensuring your pool remains a crystal-clear sanctuary for relaxation and fun. Remember, a clean pool is not just about aesthetics, it's about health, safety, and prolonging the life of your pool. Choose wisely and dive into cleanliness.